Welcome to Wisdom of Neville. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to transforming your life, manifesting money, and achieving the success you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. I'm Peter. Over the past years, I've applied Neville Goddard's teachings personally, and I've seen myself, and countless others, manifest money dream careers and amazing relationships. All of it came from the law of assumption and the power of inner speech. Here at Wisdom of Neville, you'll discover step-by-step practical guides to apply the law of assumption to manifest money and transform your life-proven manifestation techniques that actually work. Real success stories from our growing community and deep insights into Neville Goddard's teachings updated for modern life. Every single video is rooted in Neville's original wisdom blended with practical modern applications. My goal is simple: to help you become the best version of yourself and to see real results in your life. Each week, I'll share 2 to 3 in-depth videos on manifestation and the law of assumption. Plus, you'll get daily shorts packed with quotes, tips, and the most powerful insights from Neville Goddard himself. If you're ready to transform your life through the power of belief and imagination, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss a single video. Remember, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you truly believe to be true. Let's turn your beliefs into a brilliant reality together. Welcome to the Wisdom of Neville family.